Hi, I'm Jeanette. Welcome to Pinnacle Place, a beautiful community of new townhomes in sought-after Washington Township. I think you're going to love it here. Let me show you around. Choose from 3 floor plans, all with open layouts, perfect for entertaining all your family and friends. And if you love to cook, this bright, spacious kitchen and huge island will not disappoint. Upstairs, you'll have 3 bedrooms with plenty of space for the kids, a home office, or out-of-town guests. Plus, you'll have a beautiful owner's bedroom with a huge walk-in closet and attached bathroom. On the lower level, our homes have a 1-car garage and a finished rec room. It's the perfect spot for entertaining on game day or just a great place for the kids to hang out with friends. Head to Atkinson Park for a picnic, a jog, tennis, basketball, you name it. Plus, there's plenty of local eateries nearby. P.J. Willihan's is a popular place to meet up with friends. But for date night, Terra Nova is my favorite, serving everything from sushi to pasta, not to mention a great wine list too. The community is located in Washington Township, just off of Route 47, and offers easy access to Route 55 and the Atlantic City Expressway. Perfect for a short commute into Philly or to head down the shore on the weekends. You will not want to miss out on Pinnacle Place. Make your appointment to visit today. We can't wait to meet you.